brought a hurricane to a yard fight. All right, we'll try these two out on lawn trimmings, clippings, grass. But it's actually windy today, and it blew away most of my lawn trimmings. Well, we'll give it our best try. Excuse me. This one's going to do way better. So, let's get my hat adjusted. Okay. You know, honestly, for a yard this small, this is probably really all you need. Because I have the larger 24 volt, and this is actually powerful enough for my my little yard. But let's see what this thing can do. We'll give it a tougher test. This is some wet grass. Alright, it functions. I'll give it that. It is useful, but it's also severely underpowered. So even this is struggling with the wet stuff. Alright, so comparable, but this one definitely wins. Not completely useless. Hey, that's positive, you know. So let's step it up a little. Alright, got the bad boy, the 800 CFM, 80 volt. You know, I want to show you something. If you're into drying cars and stuff, look at there. It has its own car drying attachment, like the nozzle fits onto the body. And it takes less than an hour to charge. This is a 4 amp. It's a 4 amp. It took me less than an hour to charge it with the charger that comes with this. From zero to full. It charges really fast. Alright, let's see what this can do on that wet stuff. And we are going to be drying cars in a minute. Birds, get out of here. This is total overkill. turbo till the very end. I didn't even realize I wasn't using turbo. Bringing a hurricane. Brought a hurricane to a yard fight. I think my tree doesn't deserve that kind of punishment. I was gonna spray it. That's the thing about this. Let me get over here in the shade. Alright. Here's a selling point for this. Because it's so powerful, you saw I wasn't even using turbo for the beginning and it was doing just fine. Plus, you can stand back further away. You don't need full power. It's got so much power, you have plenty of excess. You can blow stuff from farther away. I will say though, it is much heavier. And after you carry it a while, you start to feel that weight. And it's also really loud. You shouldn't be using this early in the morning. And compared to the other one I got, the 24 volt, that is, the bigger one, which is I demoed in an earlier video. That one's much quieter and it does the job just fine. So, but yeah, this is definitely more versatile and you don't have to blow as hard. You could keep the blower farther away and it'll still do the job with not even using full power. In fact, only in extreme circumstances would you even need that button. Look at all that. Let's clean that out. Hold on. Yeah, see, that's where this thing is really good, because it's so tiny and so powerful. You can get into all these little nooks and crannies that would be hard for a full-size blower. This thing is useful. Even if you don't like Kobalt, they sell other ones like this. This, one other thing, this is much louder than this is. So again, this is the quiet tech one. This is still my favorite. That's turbo. Let me show you. This is turbo. Listen how quiet that is on turbo. This is twice the CFM of the little one. light. It's light. It doesn't ever get heavy in your hand. It's half as quiet as any of these, even that one. And it's blowing twice the air that that one is. And this one's doing 120. This is doing 130. Only 10 mile per hour difference, and that's because, I mean, look how skinny that it's compressing the air down. It's got a nozzle on it. If you put a nozzle on this one, the mile per hour would go up. But I don't want that. I like it just the way it is. It is stupidly hot right now. It's like over 110. But I'm gonna clean my car, and we're gonna blow out some dust from inside of here, and I want to try to use this thing. I'm pretty sure it's just not going to be as good, but we'll try it. And my car is extremely dusty and dirty because I live in the desert. Yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, that seems kind of pointless. Here, let's try it without this. It's on full. Ouch, sorry. Yeah, that is not practical. It just doesn't have the guts to do it. Let's try the real one. Get it inside all the little nooks and crannies. Now you can run the vacuum in there, and it's a lot easier because you've blown all the initial crap out first. Okay, we're gonna dry some cars today. Dry a car today. Full battery. Wait, see it? Full. Wait. Do it like this. Full battery. Full battery. Well, I just broke my freaking sprinkler head. Ouch. And everything is 1,000,000 degrees outside because it's freaking hot. But I could still wet the car down. Alright, let's see if we can dry the car. Okay, so it did dry the car, but if you don't have any kind of product on your car, you know, like wax, the water doesn't beat off. so you still get water spots. But that's okay. It dried the car. That's what it was supposed to do. So let's try that again with the big boy. Yeah, I forgot to show this. That's after drying the car. So it still has 3 bars. Okay, so we're gonna try it with this one now. And we're gonna put this one into drying configuration. It has the rubber tip. So for all you car dryers out there, the 800 CFM one does have a car drying mode. And let's briefly try this one just for laughs. Yeah, you're gonna go through like 3 batteries trying to dry it with that thing. Nope. Okay, let's do this before the camera overheats. Whoa! You gotta really hold on to that thing. I hit the button with my finger. Got enough power to blow itself apart. I forgot to mention that it's still at 4 bars after drying the whole car. It didn't even go down 1 bar. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.